Welcome this video PVC Pipe Decoration idea transforming unit into art. PVC pipe are not just purple then can be turned into beautiful create and functionally decoration of your home, gardening and often those versatile, affordable and durable make them are excellent choice for decoration project whether you want to create elegant home decor stand, outdoor display and quick functional price. PVC pipe often addly possibility various create a way to your PVC pipe for decoration, wall art and home decor. PVC pipe wall panel cut PVC pipe into smart select and arrange them in arts palette to create unique wall palette. You can pull theme in different color or level theme plants for a modern aesthetic. Then palette can be used to an access wall into your living room or bedroom. Middle frame a create wall to enhance a middle is by surrounding its idea with PVC pipe sealed. Cut the pipe into theme range and agreement theme area, then middle